Welcome to ESL Quiz College. When we are a baby, the first thing we get is a name. What's your name? My name is Melody. What's your name? Good job. When we meet someone new for the first time, we say, "Hi," and we introduce ourselves. "Hi, my name is Melody. Nice to meet you. What's your name?" Good job. Now, let's listen and write the names in the comments below. Number 1. My name is Bob. Number 2. My name is Mary. Number 3. My name is Jane. Number 4. My name is Tom. Number 5. My name is Tim. Number 6. My name is Jen. Number 7. My name is Pam. Go ahead and write the answers in the comments below. I promise to check them. Good luck. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and supporting us here at ESL Quiz College.